Hello my students. Today we have a new lesson about digestive system. We're gonna know how is food digested step by step. So the objective for today is sequence the process of digestion in humans as ingestion, swallowing, digestion, absorption, and digestion. Okay, this is the digestive system and these are the digestive system parts. Okay, this is mouth, esophagus, liver and gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, and anus. Again, mouth, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, liver, and gallbladder. Okay, our bodies need food to provide it with energy, vitamins, and minerals. So our bodies get energy and vitamins and minerals from the food. So in order to use food, we must first break it down into the parts that the various organs and cells in our body can use. This is the job of our digestive system. The digestive system acts in stages to digest our food. So our digestive system it breaks large food or large molecules into small pieces of food. Each stage is important and prepares the food for the next stage. Okay, sequence the process of digestion in humans. The first process is ingestion, the second swallowing, then digestion, then absorption, then digestion. So let's talk about every one in details. The first step is digestion. Digestion means the taking in of food. So the first step in eating food is to putting it in your mouth. You start digestion. You start digesting food the moment you bit into it, like the boy in this picture. Okay, then your teeth slice, crush, and tear food apart. So the teeth break up the food. Okay, and the special chemicals in your saliva called enzymes begin to attack food and break it down. So saliva mixes with the food, and saliva contains a substance called enzymes that help to break down the food. Then the tongue helps to move the food around inside the mouth. This is the tongue. Some foods really make the mouth water and produce a lot of saliva. The next part or the next process is swallowing. Swallowing. Um, when the pieces of food are small enough, we swallow them. When you swallow food or liquid is pushed from your mouth to the stomach throughout the esophagus. So swallowing means when the food travels from your mouth to your stomach through the esophagus. So swallowing the food, it is traveling down the esophagus and it entering the stomach. And the stomach is the next organ in our journey through the digestive system. Okay, the next process is digestion. Digestion, a process where the body breaks down food. Food is the stomach. Food in the stomach is churned up to mix it with all of the chemicals that body produces. This helps to remove all of the nutrients food provides from the stomach so that our bodies can make use of them. So the digestion means a process where the body breaks down food, and this has happened in the stomach. Okay, after swallowing, the food moves inside our body so it can be processed and the nutrients can be used by our organs, and this process called digestion. In the stomach acid breaks food down into even smaller pieces. The food now looks like water soup. Then the food moves into the small intestine. So now we reach to the small intestine. Absorption. Absorption happens in small intestine. The stomach mixture should be a little sloppy and wet. Stomach mixture mean the food plus the stomach acid. At this point in its journey, the food exits the stomach and enters the intestines where water and the nutrients are absorbed. This is known as absorption. Your food is now a liquid sludge mixed with substances from liver and pancreas or pancreas. Most of the most of the useful nutrients in food go from your small intestine into your blood. So, in the small intestine, your food is now a liquid. So, most of the useful nutrients in food go from your small intestine into your blood. Why? Because your blood takes the nutrients to all around your body. So we can use it to get energy. Okay, this is your liver and this is your pancreas. Okay, the next and the last step is digestion. The food is almost at the end of its journey through the digestive system. It should now be more solid because we absorb the water from it and cohesive mass and ready for explosion from the body. And this is a process known as digestion. Digestion happens in large intestine and rectum. Large intestine, this is a 2-meter long tube where waste materials from digestion is collected ready for excretion, and then the food goes into the rectum. In the rectum, the waste is stored here until it passes out of the body. So, the sequence of uh, process in digestive system: digestion, then swallowing, then digestion, then absorption, and the last process is digestion. And the food travels from mouth into esophagus, then to stomach, then to small intestine, large intestine, and rectum, and outside the body. Okay. At the end of the journey, any parts of food that the body can't use passes out of the body. Okay. Your homework is page 5 and 6 in workbook. Thank you and goodbye.